also got 14-year-old.
And be sure to watch your children. Once we have given the all clear from our conductor, the concert will begin.
Para su seguridad y para que disfruten del concierto, por favor, permanezcan sentados, agárrense fuerte y no traten de girar, balancear o agarrar otro coche. Será el concierto.
Please remain seated, hold on to your lap bar, and do not try to twist, rock, or grab onto any other swings at any time. And be sure to watch your children. Once we are given the all clear from our conductor, the concert will begin.
Para su seguridad y para que disfruten del concierto, por favor, permanezcan sentados, agárrense fuerte y no traten de girar, balancear o agarrar otro cochecito mientras estén en movimiento.
Would you like to see Rock enjoy a concert?
The tornado has passed and our concert is ending. Stay seated until your silly symphony swing comes to a complete stop. Then lift the lap bar, collect your belongings, and walk to the nearest exit. We hope you'll come swing again soon with our silly symphony.
For your safety, please remain seated. Thank you.
Welcome aboard, silly symphony fans. For your safety and to fully appreciate our concert, please remove all loose items, including strap of shoes, sandals, backpacks, cell phones, and glasses. And take them to your room in the lounge.
How about going to high like jumping jump? How about we do the balloons?